Did you know these 14 everyday habits might secretly be harming your body? You probably do some of them without even realizing how much damage they cause over time. Let's break them down, one by one. Sleeping late, it doesn't just make you tired. It actually weakens your immune system. Your body repairs itself while you sleep early, not past midnight. Coffee on an empty stomach, sure, it wakes you up, but it also triggers acid production and irritates your gut lining before breakfast even begins. Skipping water in the morning. When you don't drink water after waking, your body delays its natural detox process, leaving you sluggish and bloated. Using your phone before bed. The blue light lowers melatonin, your sleep hormone, making it harder to fall asleep and stay rested. Eating burnt food, those charred edges you love? They increase your risk of cancer because of compounds formed during overcooking. Choosing white bread every day, it causes blood sugar spikes, drains your energy fast, and increases cravings throughout the day. Eating too much salt, it silently raises your blood pressure and forces your heart to work harder, one of the easiest ways to harm yourself without knowing. Gulping down water too fast. You think you're hydrating, but you're actually causing bloating and poor nutrient absorption. Sip slowly, let your body absorb it. Sleeping right after a heavy meal, your body struggles to digest food while lying down, leading to gas, heartburn, and poor sleep quality. Checking your phone the second you wake up. It strains your eyes and nerves instantly and floods your brain with stress before your day even begins. Drinking soda after meals. It slows down digestion, adds unnecessary sugar, and blocks your stomach from breaking down nutrients properly. Eating the same meals every day. It causes nutrient imbalance. Your body needs variety to function, not routine food repetition. Ignoring stress, it's not harmless. Chronic stress weakens your immunity, disrupts your sleep, and even slows down metabolism. No physical movement. Staying still too long leads to poor circulation, stiff muscles, and a tired mind. Even a short walk daily keeps your system alive. Your body is talking to you every single day, through fatigue, cravings, bloating, and mood swings. The question is, are you listening? 14 daily habits that heal your body. Naturally, your body has an incredible ability to repair itself. All it needs is the right habits. Let's go through 14 simple things that can truly change how you feel every single day. Drink warm water every morning. It wakes up your digestive system, flushes toxins, and boosts metabolism before your first bite of food. Start your day with sunlight. Just 10 minutes of early sunlight can balance your hormones, improve your sleep at night, and lift your mood instantly. Practice mindful breathing. 5 slow, deep breaths calm your nervous system, lower stress, and improve focus more than a cup of coffee ever could. Eat colorful fruits and vegetables. Each color heals a different part of your body. Reds for your heart, greens for your liver, yellows for your skin. Sleep before midnight. That's when your body repairs tissues, balances hormones, and renews energy most efficiently. Stretch right after waking up. It boosts blood flow, releases stiffness, and resets your posture for the day. Stay hydrated all day. Water keeps your organs active, your skin glowing, and your brain alert. Most fatigue is just dehydration in disguise. Take screen breaks. Every 30 minutes, look away for 30 seconds. It relaxes your eyes, resets your focus, and prevents headaches. Choose whole foods over packaged. Your body recognizes real ingredients. Every natural bite adds energy. Every processed bite steals it. 10. End showers with cold water. It improves blood circulation, strengthens your immunity, and leaves you feeling alert and refreshed. Laugh more often. Laughter literally lowers stress hormones and boosts endorphins, your body's natural painkillers. Eat slowly. Digestion begins in your mouth. Chewing properly signals your brain that you're full, preventing overeating. Spend time outdoors daily. Nature resets your mind, balances your heartbeat, and strengthens your immune system. Practice gratitude before sleep. It lowers anxiety, improves sleep quality, and resets your mood for a calmer tomorrow.